Hi, I'm Rehana Sharif Askari, Head of Product and Research at Grayscale Investments. Welcome to Grayscale Space and Time Trust. In the evolving landscape of blockchain technology and AI, the need for scalable and verifiable data infrastructure is paramount. While blockchains are well suited for verification and immutability, they weren't designed for handling complex, large-scale datasets or to power advanced analytics. Traditional databases are fast and scalable, but they come with trade-offs: single points of failure, limited transparency, and no effective way to prove the data hasn't been manipulated. Space and Time aims to bridge this gap, purpose-built to connect smart contracts with trustless index data in a verifiable and scalable way. That's made possible by something called proof of SQL, a zero-knowledge system that verifies a query was executed correctly, without revealing the underlying data or requiring it to be reprocessed. It works across networks like Ethereum and Sui, and it's built to handle structured data from blockchains, APIs, and even enterprise systems. That flexibility makes it useful for both decentralized apps and more traditional use cases. This allows developers to build smarter smart contracts, verifiable AI systems, and data-driven decentralized apps using blockchain and enterprise data sources. Space and Time is already being adopted beyond crypto-native circles. It's backed by Microsoft's venture arm and integrated directly into Microsoft Fabric, where enterprise developers can tap into indexed blockchain data from within their existing workflows. We see this as a signal that real-world adoption is starting to take shape, and that the infrastructure for Web3 and AI could look very different than what came before. At Grayscale, we believe Space and Time is building the kind of scalable, verifiable backbone that these future systems will rely on. That momentum led us to create Grayscale Space and Time Trust. The trust offers eligible accredited investors exposure to the SXT token, the native asset powering this data layer for the decentralized web, through a familiar investment vehicle. To learn more about Grayscale Space and Time Trust or any of Grayscale's products, reach out to our team at info@grayscale.com. Thank you.